So within QuickBooks, it will automatically find similar records between bank transactions and an existing transaction within the system, so long as both the amounts are equal and within an applicable date range. So what this means is, so for example, the bill or the invoice was raised before the payment made or the deposit received. When QuickBooks recognises a match, a One Record Found icon will appear, like this transaction here from Bygone Supplies on the 1st of April. Before clicking match on the right hand column here, you should first review the similar transaction to make sure it is correct. So you can do this by clicking on the transaction, where it will indicate what QuickBooks is trying to match it against. So in this example, it's trying to match it against the bill on the 30th of March for £555 allocated to Bygone Supplies. So from a bit of common sense here, you can see that the bill was raised before the payment was made. It's for the same amount and for the same supplier. If you're still not entirely sure whether that is the correct bill to match against, you can click on Find Other Records here. This will bring up a list of all the bills that are open within your QuickBooks Online account or within this date range. If you do want to look at a larger date range, you can change these and overtype these. And you can, for example, type in a supplier name, so it limits the search criteria. You may also find that QuickBooks has already turned on the suggested match option, and it can see here that there's one open bill for £555. So it can only be that that transaction matches that bill. Once you're happy, you can quit out of that and click on Match here on the right-hand side. When the transaction here shows 2 records found, there are 2 transactions already in QuickBooks that matches the bank transaction. So for this one, we've received £240, and what QuickBooks is saying is that there are 2 invoices open for £240. Now we can see here that they're both for Zulu Ltd, so that is correct, but we may have to go off the dates to have a look at what this payment relates to. So we received the payment on the 12th of April. And we have 2 invoices open. We have one for the 20th of March or the 5th of April. Now I know that Zulu's payment terms are 7 days, so I know that this is the correct invoice, and then I can simply click match.